In this video, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Tangem. This is the ransomware that encrypts files and damages them considerably. Before the ransomware attack, you can clearly see that there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Tangem ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. And then very soon users realize that something bad has taken place with their files and that they cannot access their data anymore. So this is what happens with the files. The files are encrypted, and whenever you try to open this specific file, you get this message indicating that Windows can't open this type of file with this Tangem extension. The ransomware then reveals a special ransom note. Typically it's an HTML file, but for some reasons I cannot even open it. The majority of such ransomware type threats also place another HTML file in specifying the ransom note. Anyway, paying the ransom is not a good idea. If you pay the ransom, most likely you will waste your money. By the way, this is the ransom note. I tried to open it through Internet Explorer browser. But you should not listen to the misleading guidelines. I recommend you to use a special antivirus called Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and start researching your system. Don't listen to the misleading guidelines mentioned by the ransom note. There is no guarantee that these hackers would keep their words, so don't trust them. After you download Combo Cleaner, it will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and surely this is essential. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner Antivirus begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. By the way, Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to always get your data protected. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider upgrading to Premium as probably one of the best solutions to make sure your files are always protected in the future. And please find a special article in the description to this video that will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.